視聴者の皆様おはようございます。ベイブです。Welcome to my channel. Today, let's explore kanji. さあ、始めましょう。初めての漢字。でへん。Pick up. No, that's not. はい。1番 in 引く pull. Frogs versus turtles tug of war. They pulled with all their might, but it ended in a draw. In is used to label door handles or pull. Door handles as pull or push. Next, migi, right. We're going right, so signal a right turn with your right hand. Writing styles is written a right hand holding on object. Next is ame, rain. Tomorrow's baseball game will be cancelled in the event of rain, but the horse race is on rain or shine. Whether it rains or not, tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. Rain is found in many weather-related kanji, such as cloud and snow. Next is yen, marui. The secret to a harmonious marriage. That's easy. When your wife gets angry, give her 10,000 yen. You may sometimes see N in place of yen to mean Japanese yen. N is the older form of this kanji. Next is N, sono, garden, park. A fun day for the kids at preschool. They went to play at the zoo and the amusement park. N is a deliberately designed and constructed garden, while sono is a more free and naturally growing garden. N, toi, far distant. They said we'd go far for our school trip, but to think we'd go to the moon. Notice how N and N both contain to and share a reading of N. It's not a coincidence. Recognizing these hints within kanji can really help with kanji study. On, oto, sound, tone. I wish the remote's mute button could turn off not just sound from the TV or music from the radio, but the volume of your voice as well. On, sound plus color means tone. Next is ka, shita, sagaru. It means two things, down, below, and under. I bow my head before your adept chopstick usage. I'm very unskilled. You are in awe. Yata mga sangarimas means you are in awe or feel great respect towards another for their efforts or achievement. Ka, he, fire. Let's go see a volcano on Tuesday, suggested my Martian friend. Ka is used to refer to the planet Mars. and Karyu and the day Tuesday Kayobi. Kayo. Next is Hana, flower, means flower. Aha! The cups are here. Quick! Take the flower out of that vase and hide the fireworks in there. Simplified from Hana, which was designed after the shape of a flower. Ie means home. I hate doing chores, so I became a karate master and converted my home into a dojo. Ka can refer to a house, home, or a master of some trade. Ka uta means song or sing. What a nice song and what a splendid singing voice. And the singer is a parrot. Ka is a person with mouth wide open. It's also found in Nomu, to drink, and Akubi, yawn. Next. Kai mawaru, rotate, revolve. Revolving sushi is amazing. There's so much sushi going around, and I'm dizzy. To have your eyes spin, menga mawaru is a saying that means you are dizzy. Next is Kai Ao meeting group. In the event hall for the Kitty Lovers Conference, I met a spy from the Puppy Lovers Association. Kanji can add nuance to words. Singao is a pleasant encounter with a friend, while Kayo Yo is to meet with misfortune. While Ao is to meet with misfortune. Next. Kai Umi means ocean, sea. Pirates patrol the ocean and take treasure from the seabed of the deep sea. Umi can refer to oceans, but their names are used. Yo is the Pacific Ocean, Taiheiyo. Soto, Gai, Soto means outside, external. There's a lot of foreigners gathered outside the ramen shop. Ramen is more popular than I thought. It's common to refer to non-Japanese as Gai Kokujin, but some consider the condensed Gai Jin to be rude. Gaku Manabu means study, learn. I forgot everything I learned in school yesterday. I failed as a student. Found in elementary school, shungako middle school, and high school. Students at each level are shungako, chungako, kokosei, respectively. Gaku raku tanushi means enjoyment, fun, and ease. Ping pong is so much fun. If I listen to Queen music before a match, it gets me psyched up and I score an easy victory. Raku is read raku in words related to ease or fun, and gaku when related to music. Ki, everyone feeling good? Ki means spirit or energy. What great weather today, right? Let's go hiking in our favorite spot. Originally, ki showing vapor rising off of cooked rice, simplified to ki. Ki kairu means return or home. It was time to go home. Jib have returned to her home planet, and I returned to my home country, America. When returning home, Japanese say tadaima, and someone in the home responds okaeri nasai. Kyu yasumu means rest break. Summer vacation, I'm very busy. Every day I go running 10 minutes, then I take a break for some ice cream, then a short rest. Q is for physical rest and also for time off or vacation from regular work. Q, Tsuyoy, means strong. When it's time to study, strong coffee is a must. Q can be physically strong or something that has a powerful effect. The church has an English conversations classroom. Jesus Christ himself teaches you English. Many churches in Japan offer English classes as a part of community outreach. Gyoku, Tama, Dama means jewel, ball. Excuse me, there's an eyeball in my fried eggs. Not only that, but the miso soup has a 500 yen coin in it. 3 levers on a string. The extra dot helps tell it apart from king. King, kane, means gold, metal, or money. If you throw the metal disc farther than anyone else, you get the gold medal, and then you get money as a reward. King can refer to the planet Venus. King Sei and Friday King Yobi. If you go to the nearby shrine neighborhood, stray cats will approach you looking for food. King, chikai, means near or close. King can refer to physical distance and also something that will occur soon. So, and many more kanji. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, for I will upload another vlog for our lesson for the next day. Have a good day and see you again. Bye.